What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Volkswagen Taos. We're going to reset the oil change reminder and the inspection reminder. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your steering wheel buttons here. There's this right button here that we're going to press, and we're looking for distance and time. You're going to go up and down so you find distance and time, press right over again. And right here where it says since start, we're going to press and hold down the right button. And you're going to hold it down for like 5 seconds and then let go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it'll bring up the service menu. Okay, all right, here is where I'm going to reset the oil change. Hit OK. It asks me if I want to reset oil change. Hit OK and reset that. I'm going to go back. All right, by pressing down, hit OK on inspection. Hit OK again. Reset that. Okay. Give it a minute. All right, and that's it. I'm going to close this out and you're all done.